So if you want to transfer your Telegram data to your new phone, then what you need to do is first take your old phone, open up your Telegram on your old device. Now you need to go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with data and storage. And under data and storage, you will have automatic media download, right? So you need to go with each and every section of automatic media download and make sure that you've enabled all of the options like photos, videos, files, and stories on all of these sections. Once you've turned on, now the next step you need to do is take your new phone. Once you're on your new phone, you need to open up your Telegram on your new phone and then log in with the same mobile number that you have on your Telegram or on your old phone. So go with the same number, the region, enter your region and your number, and you'll receive a login code. Just enter the login code and you'll be logged into your Telegram account without losing any data. Once you've logged in, it will take you to this kind of interface. As you can see that you'll have all of the media or data right here. So just by logging in, you'll have all of your Telegram data on a new phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.